Welcome back to another delicious recipe from Oyoyo Ducky's kitchen, and today I'll be making ginger shots. These are my ingredients. I'll be using large size of ginger. After all, it's ginger shots, right? And I'll be adding one whole orange, one whole lemon, half chunk of pineapple, and half lime. As usual, guys, let's wash our fruits and vegetables thoroughly to avoid scents and germs. So having cleaned all my vegetable thoroughly, we are going to process. All right, so this is the size of pineapple I'll be adding to this recipe. I just want it to be a little sweet and also to get all the nutrients from the pineapple. If you notice, in this ginger shot, we have a lot of vitamin C going on here, the lemon, the orange, the lime, and also the pineapple. So guys, have you liked this video? Have you shared this video to your contacts, to your friends and family? Let's help each other live well. So you can see my orange is completely peeled, and this is the whole orange. And then for my lemon, I did peel half size of it, and the remaining half I left it with the zest. Every ingredient is important. So, and for my lime, this is just half size of lime. So we are going to juice. Why are we making ginger shots? The weather is beginning to look like it. We are heading to fall. And this is me welcoming you guys to fall season in few days, okay? And also our kids, they've returned back to school, and little kids, they come home with all manner of cold symptoms. This is the reason for you to get your home prepared. A shot in the morning, a shot at night will help you with a lot of things. It's going to help you with any nausea problem. It's going to help you ward off cold. Is going to improve your metabolism. So guys, if you're on a weight loss journey, I would advise you incorporate this recipe into your diet. Also, this is going to drive the cold away, keep you away from the doctors. Oftentimes we hear, I'm under the weather, I'm not feeling well, I have cold. This recipe would take away cold. You don't have to break down before you start taking good care of yourself. Simple ingredients, inexpensive ingredients will actually keep you away from the doctors. I tell you, try this recipe. It's very easy to make, very delicious as well. And it's packed with nutrients to keep you healthy, help you maintain your weight, take away cold, and improve your metabolism. So guys, don't forget to live well, be happy, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.